Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick tour of Desenzano and Sirmione by boat. In this 5-minute video, we'll take you on a picturesque journey starting with Desenzano, then cruising over to Sirmione, all aboard the ferry. Desenzano is our first stop, known for its charming streets, lakeside promenade, and historic landmarks. From there, we'll hop onto the ferry for an easy and affordable ride to Sirmione. A fun fact, the round-trip ticket on the ferry costs just €6, making it an accessible way to explore these beautiful lakeside towns. At the end of our trip, we'll explore Sirmione's sights before heading back on the ferry to Desenzano. So, let's get started with our scenic boat ride through Desenzano and Sirmione. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on more adventures. Enjoy the journey. Let's kick off this relaxing tour with a discovery of Desenzano's charming town center. Situated on the serene shores of Lake Garda, Desenzano invites you to immerse yourself in its rich history and picturesque surroundings. We begin our journey in the heart of Desenzano's historic district. Wander through the cobblestone streets and lively Piazza Malvezzi, where you'll encounter architectural marvels such as the Palazzo Todeschini and the magnificent Duomo di Santa Maria Maddalena. As we delve deeper into the town, explore the local boutiques, artisan shops, and inviting cafes that line the streets. Don't miss the bustling weekly market on Tuesdays, offering an array of fresh produce, cheeses, and handmade crafts, a true feast for the senses. Desenzano's Roman heritage is on full display at the Roman Villa, a fascinating archaeological site just a stone's throw from the town center. Marvel at the intricate mosaics and remnants of Roman baths, providing a glimpse into Desenzano's ancient past. For breathtaking views, ascend to the Rocca di Desenzano, a medieval fortress perched atop a hill overlooking the glistening waters of Lake Garda. From this vantage point, soak in panoramic vistas of the lake and surrounding landscape, a perfect spot for relaxation and photography. As the day draws to a close, indulge in the local culinary scene at lakeside restaurants, savoring fresh seafood and regional delicacies paired with fine Italian wines. Now, as we conclude our exploration of Desenzano, we're about to embark on an enchanting boat journey across Lake Garda to Sirmione. Join us as we cruise towards this iconic peninsula town, renowned for its thermal baths and captivating beauty. Let's board the ferry and continue our leisurely adventure on the tranquil waters of Lake Garda. Welcome to Sirmione, a captivating peninsula town located at the southern tip of Lake Garda. As we arrive in Sirmione, prepare to be enchanted by its unique beauty and historical landmarks. Sirmione is renowned for its thermal baths, most notably the famous Scaliger Castle. This medieval fortress, surrounded by turquoise waters, is a striking sight and offers panoramic views of the lake and surrounding landscapes. One of Sirmione's highlights is the Grotte di Catullo, Catullus's grotto, the ruins of a grand Roman villa perched on the tip of the peninsula. Explore the ancient chambers and walk amidst the remnants of this once opulent residence, set against the backdrop of Lake Garda. The town's picturesque streets are adorned with colorful flowers and charming boutiques, perfect for leisurely strolls. Be sure to visit the Church of San Pietro in Movino, a Romanesque gem with stunning frescoes and a peaceful atmosphere. Sirmione is also famous for its therapeutic thermal waters. Take some time to relax and rejuvenate at one of the local spas or thermal resorts, indulging in wellness treatments that have been enjoyed for centuries. Don't miss the opportunity to taste local delicacies at waterfront restaurants, offering fresh seafood and traditional Lombard cuisine with a modern twist. As our visit to Sirmione comes to an end, we invite you to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this tour and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Your support helps us create more content like this to share with you. Join us as we cruise back across Lake Garda, cherishing the beauty and tranquility of this remarkable destination.